What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. Well, we all know that Nigerian and Ghanaians are like brothers. They are like brother and sister, and mother and father. And this battle of Nigerian Jollof versus Ghana Jollof has been an awesome means of connecting the two parties together, the two countries together, and it has always been a pleasure seeing people arguing, seeing them playing games about that, you know, and all of that sort. In music too, we Nigerians are beautiful people, just the way we love Ghanaian music, Ghanaian actors and actors generally who are good in their craft. We support them back to back. So this one was AdekunleGold and BNXN Buju at the Real Jollof party. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
They say if you make this shot, 9.3. That is a shooting 3 shots, bro. We gonna need some fun. Shooting 3 shots. We need this too.